What's up, YouTube? Sorry for the delay in vlogs. I was sick the past 2 days, so yeah, I took a break because I wasn't doing anything. I was just laying around dying. But we're back at Aldi. Stay tuned later tonight for Dylan, Michael, Kyle, Sarah, possibly Monica, all coming down to BG tonight. So yeah. What's going on, YouTube? Dude,
wait until like midnight and we're about to go out.
Wait, I was supposed to go first.
Wait.
Who the? Wait.
What?
Wait.
What's going on,
Dylan, what's
Hey
up?
guys, what's up? Back in BG for another weekend.
Wow, dude. Thank you for coming back. Tiana, how we doing out here? Okay. Oh, he had a pee? There you go. Yeah, this got some man.
See you guys later.
Alright. We're gonna follow Michael to the bathroom.
Is this allowed? Because dude. Like I've been drinking so long. Holy.
She said, do you love me? I tell her only quietly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got to turn it on me. 81, moving pressure to the party. And you know me. Turn an 02 into an 03. When I'm 40, only baby know me.
Wait, so what are their names? That's Rocky and that's Dog?
Dog?
Don the parrot.
Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm fucking I'll take a bunch of them.
Tiana, he's on your arm.
Oh, he loves him. That's fucking true love.
Oh, that's the bus? Oh.
Hey, have you guys seen that SpongeBob where he's in the vending machine and the bus is going by and he's like,
That one?
yeah, the next bus to Bikini Bottom. He's like, the bus is going.
Yes.